spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for the break that will make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction. Oh, a beautiful release. Memories seep through my veins. They may be empty and weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of an angel. Fly from this dark old hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of an angel. May you find some comfort here. So tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn there's vultures and thieves at your back. The storm keeps on twisting. You keep on building the lies that make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference escaping one last time. It's easier to believe in this sweet madness, all this glorious sadness that brings me to my knees in the arms of an angel. Fly away from here, from this dark old hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your